welcome to our channel Sushma Sankalp. Once again, today we are back to you with a new activity video. I hope you are also excited for this new activity. So let's start today's phonic activity.
I am letter A. My Gujarati sound is A. I am vowel. I am letter B. My Gujarati sound is B. I am consonant. I am letter C. My Gujarati sound is K. I am consonant. I am letter D. My Gujarati sound is D. I am consonant. I am letter E. My Gujarati sound is A. I am vowel. I am letter F. My Gujarati sound is F. I am consonant. I am letter G. My Gujarati sound is G. I am consonant. I am letter H. My Gujarati sound is H. I am consonant. I am letter I. My Gujarati sound is E. I am vowel. I am letter J. My Gujarati sound is J. I am consonant. I am letter K. My Gujarati sound is K. I am consonant. I am letter L. My Gujarati sound is L. I am consonant. I am letter M. My Gujarati sound is M. I am consonant. I am letter N. My Gujarati sound is N. I am consonant. I am letter O. My Gujarati sound is O. I am vowel. I am letter P. My Gujarati sound is P. I am consonant. I am letter U. My Gujarati sound is Q. I am consonant. I am letter R. My Gujarati sound is R. I am consonant. I am letter S. My Gujarati sound is S. I am consonant. I am letter T. My Gujarati sound is T. I am consonant. I am letter U. My Gujarati sound is A. I am vowel. I am letter B. My Gujarati sound is V. I am consonant.
I am letter W. My Gujarati sound is V. I am consonant.
I am letter X. My Gujarati sound is X. I am consonant.